Welcome back to Astro Adventures. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the science behind the end of Earth. With humanity's increasing impact on the environment, it is important to understand what could happen if we were to continue on our current trajectory. So let's dive in and explore some of the possibilities and consequences of our actions. First, let's look at how Earth could end due to natural causes. The most likely scenario is that the Sun will eventually evolve into a red giant and expand outward, engulfing Mercury, Venus, and possibly even Earth in its path. This process would take billions of years and would eventually cause the oceans to boil away and life as we know it on Earth to become impossible. Another natural threat is an asteroid or comet collision with Earth. While this possibility is small compared to other risks, such an impact could be devastating for life on our planet. Such an event happened 66 million years ago when a large asteroid crashed into modern-day Mexico, leading to the extinction of most dinosaur species along with many other forms of life on Earth. But what about man-made causes? A nuclear war between two or more countries could cause global destruction, leading to a nuclear winter in which temperatures drop significantly and cause mass extinctions worldwide due to crop failure and extreme weather conditions. The spread of pandemics has also been proposed as a potential cause for global destruction due to its ability to spread quickly across countries and continents. Finally, climate change is another pressing concern for humanity today, as rising global temperatures can affect weather patterns, ecosystems, and human health across the world. If left unchecked, this could lead to rising sea levels, ocean acidification, extreme weather events, and increased drought conditions over large areas. All of these effects combined could spell disaster for humanity if they are not addressed properly in time. So there you have it. Some of the possible scenarios that could spell doom for Earth as we know it today. Remember that our actions today can determine our future tomorrow, so let's all work together towards creating a brighter future for ourselves and future generations. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us here at Astro Adventures. Until next time. Goodbye.